The Alawai Canal is a man-made body of water adjacent to Waikiki. It drains the water runoff from the Manoa and Palolo valleys, allowing them to travel directly to the ocean, where it drains at the Alawai Harbor. The Alawai Canal is notorious for pollution. Pollution comes in many forms. It can be physical, with floating rubbish which can entrap and kill marine life. It can be chemical in the form of fertilizers which can cause harm to the ecosystem. It has even been sewage-based in the form of brown water conditions. Despite this, a few special creatures still thrive in this ecosystem. One of these species is the Hawaiian estuary seahorse, scientific name Hippocampus cudaholonus. This animal is so unique that it can only be found in the Hawaiian Islands. An inhabitant of the Alawai Canal, it faces multiple challenges to its survival. When you look at a living organism, you should ask yourself about the form and function. Form is the shape and design of the body or its associated parts and structures. Function is asking, what does this part do or why is it here? Let's look at the seahorse a little more. A seahorse is in fact a fish. Unlike most of its scaly relatives, a seahorse is covered in bony plates. Unlike most fishes, which swim with a caudal or tail fin, seahorses move by fluttering a dorsal or back fin. This makes them relatively slow swimmers. Being slow, their primary defense from predators such as crabs and pufferfishes is their ability to camouflage, which is assisted by their prehensile tails. Like monkeys, seahorses use their tails to hold on to parts of their environment and will often change their colors to mimic their surroundings. Hawaiian seahorses range in color from brown to yellow, red, and white. Seahorses have long snouts. This helps them as they are in fact predators. They use their snouts to snap up smaller prey items from under rocks and in holes, and will actively hunt. Seahorses eat a variety of things, including small marine worms, small fishes, and certain species of shrimps and crabs and other crustaceans. Seahorses are fantastic parents. The females use their energy to create large yolk-filled eggs. They then deposit the eggs into the male's pouch. Males will then hold the eggs for 2 to 3 weeks before giving birth to anywhere from 30 to a few hundred offspring. Newborn seahorses are about the size of a grain of rice. They spend the first 2 to 3 weeks of their lives in the plankton, meaning they float in the upper layers of the water. Here, they feed on other forms of plankton. These are copepods. When raising seahorses in captivity, baby seahorses are fed using wild-caught plankton. A special net is utilized called a plankton net, which skims the surface layers of the water and collects all of the plankton into a jar at the base. These organisms are then fed out to the juvenile seahorses as food. Babies can consume up to 1,000 of these copepods per day. My current research focuses on learning how to raise our native Hawaiian seahorses in captivity. The seahorses in the Alawai Canal are under threat due to current dredging activities. Dredging caused by reconstructive efforts along the Alawai actually kills many seahorses. In the future, what we hope to do is raise these seahorses in captivity at various facilities across the Hawaiian Islands, and then re-release their offspring into the Alawai Canal after dredging activities have ceased.